Good evening, friends. So today we'll see how to create Pinterest pins using Canva. What we need to do is we need to search for Pinterest pins, Canva search box. Click on that. Okay, here we have got a lot of templates. Canva. We need to select a theme, modern theme. Okay. Suppose we need to do it for our own marketing. Okay. So suppose we are selling a furniture. We are having an exhibition of furniture. We have selected the template and up to we are providing 30% off. We can edit that. We can decide the color, theme, flip it. So here we have, like, we can go to the photos, select furniture. Can try these options. Remove this image. Can add this. You can drag and drop the elements. You can change its color. Now this is more visible. We can animate this. Try different animation options. Yeah, this looks pretty good. We can link to our website if we have, suppose new.fstore.com. We go to our website and we can download it now. Okay, friends, so stay tuned with us for next tips in our next video. Thank you.